Google's new AI overview feature can be helpful for some users, but many people find it distracting, inaccurate, or unnecessary. If you want classic Google search results without AI summaries, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two simple and working methods to disable Google AI Overview in Google Chrome, no technical skills required. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable Google AI Overview using an extension. The first and easiest method is by using a browser extension. Open Google Chrome. Click on the Extensions menu and open the Chrome Web Store. Search for Hide Google AI Overview. Before installing, you can scroll down and check reviews or details. Click Add to Chrome, then Confirm. Once the extension is added, open a new Google search and you'll notice that AI Overview is completely hidden. This method works instantly and doesn't require any extra setup. Method 2. Use Google Non-AI mode as default search engine. If you don't want to use an extension, this second method is perfect for you. Open Chrome Settings. Go to Search Engine. Click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. If the non-AI option is already there, set it as default. If it's not there, click Add under Site Search. Fill the details, name, Google Non-AI. Shortcut, G, in the URL section past this. Click Add. Now set this as default. Now open a new tab and search any query. You'll see traditional Google results without AI Overview, and this method works consistently. If you want a quick and easy solution, method 1 is best. If you prefer no extensions, method 2 is the better option. Both methods are safe, simple, and fully working. If this video helped you remove Google AI Overview, like the video. Subscribe for more tech tips. And comment below which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.